all good. Not gonna lie, putting the air on these tires is the biggest pain. Oh yeah, that felt way better. Crazy. Never doing Navi tires again.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Swelly, and of course we got the Z in the back. Man, it's been 12 months, and I just want to say shout out to everybody that subscribed to my channel, because I'm finally, like I promised, doing the 100 subscriber giveaway. All I need y'all to do is already be an active subscriber to my channel and just comment on this video below if you want to be entered into the draft. We're gonna do a roulette wheel, we're gonna spin the wheel, and we're gonna pick a lucky winner, baby. And shout out to the new subs as well. Shout out to my returning viewers. We're gonna keep pushing, man. We're gonna keep pushing. I'm still here. And let's get it.